Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see that how we can create a carousel in our WordPress site. So for that let's go to our dashboard. To visit your dashboard you need to put WP admin after your URL. Then press enter and fill your password. Then click on login and this will redirect you to your dashboard. Okay, now we want to add a carousel in our post in our home page, like so that go to all pages. Now go to home page, click on edit, and this time we are going to use Elementor to create a carousel. Okay, now create a new section. To create a new section, click on plus and create this. Now go to Elementor search bar and search for a widget name as carousel. So here you can see we have a free carousel and then we have carousels in pro version. So currently I'm using a free version, so we are going with this one image carousel. Drag here and go on this plus symbol. Now what we need to do, we need to click here and add a few images to our gallery. Select media, and here I have some packed images, so I'm going to select those images. The first one, give me a second, let me choose all the images we are going to use. Okay, now here we have selected images for our browser. Create a new gallery, insert. Now let's see that we have created our image gallery. We have arrow symbol and plus dot symbol. Now we want to add title with our image, so just go here, click on that image, remove this one and put the name of the image you want to share with people. So I'm writing here nail clipping. Save changes that you have made right now. Okay, now let's see that why we are not going our uh, title here. So let's check. Click on caption and select title. You will be able to see your title here just below the image. Now we have some options about this carousel. The first one is slide to show. So in this case, if you want I want only one slide to show, then I click on one, then it's showing me only one image. If you want to show two images, then it will show you two images, but I want to show three images, which looks pretty good here. Now it's asking that how many slides you want to scroll at a time. So I want a single slide to scroll, like currently we have only single slide. Okay, now see for three images, then the whole three images will slide in a single time. Now let's see. Okay, I think you just see. So it will not look that good, but we are going with one which looks pretty awesome. Then go to next option, image stretch, put no, then navigation. Now you need to decide that what you want. You want arrow only and you want dots only, or you want both, like dots and arrows. Okay, we are going with both. And if you want to select none, then it will continuously slide without any other without showing any arrows and dots. So currently we are going with dots only for that. Now in additional options we have some more options like lazy load. Okay, now let's see the autoplay option. The autoplay option means the images which are automatically scrolling, they will set off if we click on no. They will move only when we click on these dots on and on the arrows. Otherwise they will be same on their position. They will not create any kind of motion. So we are going with autoplay option. And the second thing is pause on hover or not. So if I put my mouse here, it will not scroll, and if I put on no, then if I have my mouse here, then still it will move. Okay, then the other pause on interaction, like if I am here, it will pause. You see. Okay, now here you can decide your autoplay speed. You can put it, you can make it fast, you can make it so slow. It's totally depends on you. Then there is next option is infinite loop, which means that you want your slides to move continuously without any stop. Like if I put no, then it will only go until where my images. It will go until 6 images that I have added. Then it will stop. But we want an infinite loop. It will continuously keep scrolling. There will be no end for this. And from here you can decide direction, that you can put it left to right or right to left. It's totally up to you, but we are going with left option only. Okay, I hope click on update. I hope it's totally clear to you, and still you have any issue, then please connect me through comment sections. Okay, now let's see our changes in our home page. Click on preview and let's see. And here we have our images which are moving continuously in an infinite loop. Let's see how responsive it is. Click on responsive mode and check for mobile. In case of mobile, it will show you only one image. Now it will keep scrolling as well. There is no problem. And from here you can decide that how there is also one chance that how many images you want to show at a time in mobile phone, but we want only single image. Click on one and put image stretch as yes. Image stretch will fill up your part, which looks pretty good in case of mobiles. Click on update. I hope you liked this video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you.